Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 2. This is card number 13, and this is hosted by Shana of ShanoukiArt. And our prompts for this week is botanicals, fabric, texture, and label. So I've got this embossed cardstock, and I've got my fabric. And I'm going to use this Tracy Fox label. It's a botanical label. So it's a label and botanical. And I'm just going to add some words probably to it, or maybe some other embellishments. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt. And be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my card. I've got my botanical and my label. This is a Tracy Fox botanical label. I've got my texture in the embossed, and I just highlighted a little bit with Rub and Buff. I've got some fabric, and I've got my botanicals in my label. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2. I love to see what everybody makes. There's so much you can do with these playing cards. So until next time, bye y'all.